Today, we're diving into some extremely raw footage of the ice storm that froze Canada, caught on camera in all its intense, frosty glory.
It's incredible to witness nature's raw power. Imagine an ice storm so severe that an entire neighborhood was buried under thick snow for days.
Can't even see this cabin.
Listen to the incredible sound of that blizzard.
They pushed
and they pushed. This late winter blizzard hit western Manitoba with full force, virtually stopping everything in its tracks. If you could get out of your driveway and the highways around you weren't closed, consider yourself lucky. But even then, a little extra push was often needed. Sometimes, all it takes is a little help along the way. This dashcam video captures a terrifying moment on a road in Manitoba, as dozens of cars got stuck in the heavy snow. Sometimes winter comes way too early.
Capture it quite so good, but this is the middle of April. Come on, what do we pay weathermen for?
Big shout out to whoever braved that ice storm in a horse and carriage. Every year, workers spend hours removing tons of snow from the driveway. Sometimes, winter storms can put drivers in the most precarious situations.
His bumper's hanging off. That was a big one. Oh, look at that! Yeah!
This time-lapse video shows just how quickly a massive snowstorm overtook this Canadian home.
Storm.
In April 2023, two of Canada's most populated cities, Quebec and Ontario, faced widespread power outages as power lines froze and snapped. For this man, breaking the ice off his car has become a daily routine. Sometimes it's a bit of fun, and other times, it's a real challenge. Speaking of things that are definitely not fun, watch as these drivers struggle to get off an icy road. How cold does it have to get for an entire neighborhood to freeze over? Watch as this semi-truck almost causes a deadly accident after sliding on the frozen road.
Frozen road.
Not sure a hammer.
Not sure a hammer is the right tool for the job, though.
Holy. Oh my.
Ever seen a car totally frozen in a winter storm? Imagine having to drive in this zero visibility weather.
Hail in June. Look the streets. That's gonna be a heck of a damage this year.
Oh, my dear!
Winter storms are once again battering parts of Atlantic Canada with high winds and heavy snowfalls. Halifax is almost completely shut down, with all transport pulled off the roads and government buildings and universities closed. There are warnings that much of the region could soon be hit by near zero visibility conditions.
Imagine how brave you have to be to try this. No, it's not magic. That's the raw power of strong winds pushing snow over a retaining wall along the Niagara River near Lake Erie.
Oh my God, I can't believe I actually got it.
Look at the size of those hailstones.
Imagine driving through this apocalyptic scene in 2022, right at the start of a heavy snowfall.
The final wildcard match of the NFL playoffs tonight. The winner of the Rams and Cardinals will face Tom Brady in the final.
This is what Alberta looked like after more than a few inches of snowfall. Imagine walking outside your home and seeing nothing but snow as far as your eye can see. There's something blissful and satisfying about driving around in the winter snow. Even well-trained drivers struggle to navigate under these conditions.
Taxi's gone.
We're not the only ones who slide on ice, though. Nice, this clip captures just how quickly an entire driveway can get completely covered by 6 feet of snow. Thank you for watching. Stay safe out there, and remember, no matter what challenges come your way, you've got the strength to overcome them. I'll see you next time. Until then, keep exploring, stay curious, and take care.